Hey guys, I'm Alexis Rosado, gonna give you a healthy option on how to make a pizza. Now, pizza is typically not a very healthy food, and to be honest with you, it still doesn't change how delicious it is. So I wanna give you an option on just how to make that pizza a little bit healthier. Let's start off with the crust. This is what I'm using as my crust. It is a brown rice tortilla. Now, what's awesome about brown rice tortillas are A, they are a gluten-free option, but B, brown rice is better for you than all the other stuff that you have in your yeast-filled crust pizza crust. So let's talk about calories though. So crust is typically for a 14-inch pizza is 229 calories. Now, my brown rice tortilla, which will be thin crust, but it will be delicious, is 130 calories. You're already dropping your pizza by 100 calories. You're already losing 100 calories right off the bat from that crust. So that is what I'm making my pizza with. Now let's talk about sauces. I used to work at a pizza place, so pizza sauce actually is not that bad for you. 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce is 15 calories, which means 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce is 30 calories. I love using barbecue sauce. We're gonna make a barbecue chicken pizza, but compare that to a sausage pizza, a sausage with pizza sauce. Sound good? Sound good. So my barbecue sauce is a little bit unhealthier. It is gonna be 70 calories for those 2 tablespoons. That means 35 calories per 1 tablespoon. So I'm gonna put that barbecue sauce on my gluten-free brown rice tortilla. Yum, yum. I'm Latina, so tortillas, yeah, that is how I throw down in the kitchen. Now let's talk about meats. Sausage versus pepperoni. Sausage. Guess how many calories that is? It's actually going to be the highest in fat content and the highest in calories. It is 260 for 3 ounces. Now 3 ounces, just to give you a little bit of an example about what that size is. If you have a child that brushes their teeth, or when you get little water at the office and they're in those little cups, those are typically 4-ounce cups, okay? Now if you put chicken or meat or pepperoni slices or sausage in there, it was just something that would be a really good estimate, 3 ounces. We might double that. You might get double the meat, and when I do the equation for our pizza, we'll do the math between both to help you decide the numbers on what you want to choose for how you're going to make your pizza. You'll see those numbers. Anyways, so 3 ounces. 3 ounces of meat. This is grilled chicken. Now my chicken, all I did was grill it, and then I had some pepper and garlic salt to it. So that's what we're going to do for flavor. Chicken. How many calories do you think 3 ounces of chicken is? 100 calories. What? 100 calories. That is more than half, or less than half, of the 260 calories in your sausage. So sausage for the same serving size is 260 calories versus chicken is 100 calories. Now pepperoni is 132, so that isn't that much more than chicken, but it still is more. So 132 for pepperoni, 260 for sausage, and then just 100 calories for 3 ounces of chicken. So I'm putting that chicken on that. Let's see what it looks like right now. Now what I like on my barbecue chicken pizza is onions. So I chopped up some onions right over here. Hopefully they won't make me cry. But anyway, so I'm going to sprinkle those onions on there. Onions are pretty healthy for you. You should know that. It's a vegetable. I think it's 15 calories. That is all it's going to add to the calorie total count, the total calorie count on our pizza. So, and that is optional for those of you who do not like onions on your pizza. So we talked about pizza sauce. We talked about meats. What are we forgetting? Queso, the cheese. Okay, so for your cheese, I did a lot of research on cheese. I'm Latina, which means I really like my queso, which comes from Chihuahua cheese. Chihuahua cheese actually is pretty unhealthy for you. It is 423 calories for every cup. Now I decided to measure them on cups. We'll cut that in half. You probably won't put a cup of cheese on your pizza, or maybe you will if you're a cheesy person. So Chihuahua cheese, which comes in queso or in tortillas, or just in your tacos and your dips when you do like those Chihuahua cheese dips. That's 423 calories. That's a lot. That's heavy, pretty heavy in fat. Feta cheese, 339 for a cup. Mozzarella cheese, 336. Now, because I'm a health nut, I started to look at mozzarella cheese, the fresh kind, versus the processed kind. And you'd be surprised, the fresh one is actually maybe just about 10 calories less. But so I chopped up my fresh mozzarella. When I say fresh mozzarella, I'm picturing that ball right there you buy at the supermarket. So I chopped that up. This is a little bit of fresh mozzarella. We're going to place that on the pizza. And it's $3.36 for a cup. We're not going to do a cup. So half a cup will be a lot less than that. All right. Putting that on there. Even a cup's a little, half a cup's a little too much. Now, this is what my pizza looks like. We have the chicken. We have the brown rice tortilla. We have your onions and your fresh mozzarella. Let's do the math compared to a normal pizza sauce pizza. Remember, the pizza sauce is the only thing that's a little bit healthier, or caloric-wise, the only one that's less in calories. Let's do the math. My handy-dandy calculator. So if crust is $2.29 versus $1.30, then meat is $2.60 versus $100. $100 for the chicken. We're going to multiply that by 2. Let's do 2 servings of meat. So 2 servings of chicken versus 2 servings of sausage. And then you add that cheese. They're going to be exactly the same. So let's say we do 140 calories. All right? And then your serving size for your sauce, 2 tablespoons for both ends. Your grand total is going to be, because I did the math earlier, but the camera doesn't flip to show the math. Your old pizza, a sausage pizza with normal pizza sauce on normal crust with mozzarella cheese, comes out to 904 calories. Can you believe that? It's almost 1,000 calories for your pizza with sausage. Now, for your new and improved barbecue pizza, drum roll please, 400 calories. Now that's without the onions. So if we add the onions, it's 415 calories. But what? 904 versus 400 is a huge, significant difference. That's cutting your calories more than in half. More than half. Half of, yeah, yes. Half of 904 is 450, 452, all right? 452. You are cutting that. It's 400 calories for your pizza. So, and if you don't eat the whole thing, you're only eating half of that. Hey, you're only eating 200 calories of your pizza. You're going to put that in the oven. I have my oven at 350 or 400 degrees. It depends on how you like that crispy. I did coat the bottom of it with olive oil to make sure that you get that crust on the bottom a little bit crispy. But when you chop that up, it will be like a thin crust pizza. You can serve it as an appetizer. You can eat it as your meal like I do. And that is a healthier option to a pizza. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will work on other healthier recipes for you. Now, the only reason why I did barbecue chicken pizza is because that's my favorite. If you have a favorite, comment below and shoot me a message and I'll see what I can do to give you a healthier option. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Alexis Rosado. Have a good one.